So I have been using the Basecamp mask for 3 weeks now. I've been using it in my shop for traditional woodworking, cutting, sanding, so on and so forth. I've been using it as a mask while I'm painting, and I don't mean brush painting, I mean spraying. But I've also used it as an outdoor mask for snow blowing and shoveling. I've seen some reviews talk about how effective it is at reducing fog on glasses, or just a general keeps your face warm. So I wanted to put that to the test as well. On the coldest week of the year so far, it is 0 degrees out today, so it is pretty cold. I don't have a warm shop. If it's cold outside, it's cold in my shop. So in my review, I'm gonna see how it did as a dust mask, but also how does it work as an outdoor mask? When you do woodworking outside, well, you kind of need it to be both. So let's give it a shot. First step, how do you open it? Well, it is certainly well sealed. Where's my scissors? Found my scissors. Most important step of any packaging. I have to wear this on my face, so how does it smell? There's no smell at all. All right, that's a +1 for them. No smell in the mask. So it already comes pre-installed with a filter, and it looks like the vents are already pre-installed too. So nothing I need to do. So really, it just kind of looks like it's ready to go right out of the package, which, that's nice. Decent elastic. I have the world's biggest head, so I'm assuming I'm gonna have to go ahead and make this bigger. This is one of those things where you think you're making it bigger, but you're actually making it smaller. I think I have it adjusted for my massive head. They said it fits most sizes, and so we'll see what most sizes mean. Watch a man struggle with Velcro for 10 minutes. All right, well, the elastic feels pretty good. Doesn't feel like it's pulling my hair or anything. It feels tight on the nose. Feels a little too tight on the nose. Let's see if I can fix that. That's the big head alarm. All right, that's feeling better. Yep, can breathe through it. Let's put the hat back on, because certainly need to wear a hat when I'm out here. One last test that we needed to try out though, and it's the fog test. Now, with my regular sunglasses, breathing pretty hard through my mouth, I can fog these up pretty good. These aren't safety glasses. Let's put on some safety glasses. Held up pretty well, because these actually have some foam that keep your eyes insulated. Even breathing pretty heavy through my mouth, I can't fog it up. Now, if I can't fog it up breathing through my mouth, I certainly can't fog it up using my nose. All in all, pretty impressed with that. I didn't need those. Okay, we're gonna give it the cold weather test, because believe it or not, it's cold outside. That's not right. Put it on the right way. All right, well, heavy breathing through your mouth. So-so. All right, let's go test it. Okay. If you're wearing just regular safety glasses, it ain't gonna work. You gotta wear something with some sort of insulation around your eyes, especially when it's this cold out. So. So what are my thoughts on this after using it? As a dust mask, I really liked it. I thought it was comfortable. I wore it all the time. That's a big thing for me. If it's not comfortable, I'm not gonna wear it. When you do a lot of cuts without wearing any PPE, you can feel it in your sinuses. You know what I'm talking about. But after wearing this for the day and making cuts and sanding, I had none of that. It was great. In terms of using this as a painting mask, this is rated for dust. It's a dust filtering mask. It is not a vapor mask. The painting that I was doing was with a latex paint through a sprayer, so as safe of a paint as you can spray using a mask that's not rated for vapor. If you're spraying polyurethane, go get yourself a proper respirator. This will not save you. Now, as an outdoor mask, super cold days like this, when you inhale through your nose, you get that frozen nose feeling. This helps prevent that. But on the flip side, this absolutely can freeze on you. And when it starts to freeze, your breathing goes way down. You can feel the mask suck in every time that you try to inhale. And at that point, you either have to stop and kind of shake it out or try to thaw it. And when it does freeze up, the little bit of fog reduction that it does manage with your glasses goes completely away, because then all the hot air is not coming out of the vents anymore. It's going right up in your face like any other mask would. As a dust mask in your shop, fantastic. I would use it every day, and I plan to continue using it every day. In super cold days, I wouldn't rely on it as any sort of fog reduction. But then again, you're asking a lot for a $20 mask. If this review helped you in any way and you're interested in buying a Basecamp mask for yourself, check out my affiliate link below. It helps support me and what I do on this channel, and it helps fund the projects that I'm working on next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.